Hi, peace, truth, and love. I hope you're doing good today. My name is Kawekwa Douglas. I'm the founder and team lead at MindLyfe Limited. MindLyfe is a teletherapy organization, and we are addressing mental health stigma as well as the inaccessibility to professional mental health services, stroke therapy. Today, here at our head office at the Uganda National ICT Hub, let me give you a quick tour about MindLyfe. So when someone gets to know about MindLyfe, either through a friend or through social media, of them searching, they'll come into their browser or through their phone and they'll search for MindLyfe. And MindLyfe is mindlyfe.org, as you see here. And when you prompt that, it will take you to our website, our homepage. Oh, yeah, here it is. So this is our homepage, and on our homepage, this is the interface you'll find. There's this big blue button which says book an appointment. This is the prompt that the button that someone would use to schedule an appointment for professional therapy with one of our therapists. So when I click book an appointment, it will bring me to this page. Currently, we are upgrading our web and mobile application. So we are right now using Calendly from our website to get anyone who needs assistance so that we can be able to help them. So when it brings to this page, I'll be able to see, it prompts me to select the available date and time from when I want to have a therapy session. So I'm going to prompt that I want to have a session next week on 11th. So as you see here, I'll click on the 11th. And when I do so, it will bring in this prompt about the time, which time is favorable for me to have my therapy session. So as well as you see here on the left, it says 1 hour and 15 minutes. By standard, of course, a therapy session is around an hour, 40 to an hour. But we've added the 15 minutes regards to the findings we've had and observations in the field that someone needs to blend in regards to getting that session. So with our context here in Uganda, we add the 15 minutes for people to feel calm and blend in for that session. So going forward, I want to have my session at 11. So that means my session, when I click at 11, it will prompt me to click next. So my session will be from 11 to 12:15, if you see here. So that is the 1 hour and 15 minutes. Then continuing with that, I'm going to add my details. Now this is the information. We abide by the data laws and regulations of Uganda Privacy and Data Act. So I will add in my information here that is going to also be shared with MindLyfe so that they can be able to reach back to me about my sessions. So then about the option of how I would learn my therapy. Right now I would want to have virtual, so I'm going to choose Google Meet, which is what I'm preferable using. But also the reason why you see this physical location is because we have a provision for in-person therapy, and right now we're working with 2 physical centers. This is Mackay University through the Guidance and Counseling Center, as well as the School of Psychology. We have a partnership with Mackay University, and then also Kampala Youth Academy Foundation in Bugolowi. It's also another physical location we have for anyone who wants in-person therapy session. So yes, from there I'm going to add in my phone number, and then I'm going to add a small brief about what I would want to have for my therapy session. So I'm caught between about my career conflict. So let me say I want to talk about my career, what career to take. I need guidance about what career to take for my life. So this is basically to prompt the therapist to know what would be my main focus about my therapy session. So then I'll go further and I'll click schedule event. So now this will bring me this window that shows that I've actually made an appointment with MindLyfe from 11 to 12:15 on September 11. So furthermore, this information is also shared to my email. Let me go quick one to my email, personal email. Use the email that you used to register. I use my Gmail. So that's the email that this information will be shared to. So whatever email you use, you check that email that you used to register for your session, so that you can get that information there too, your appointment information there too. Yeah. So here is inside my Gmail. Here is the information about my appointment with MindLyfe for my therapy session. So you can see my consent appointment with MindLyfe at 11 East African time on Wednesday, 11 September is scheduled. So Right now I can actually even add this to my Google Calendar so that I can actually get reminder an hour before so that I don't forget my session. But however, also this information is shared with MindLyfe so that they can be able to reach out to me and follow up with regards to the payment and all as to see if there are any changes there. As I said, we're now upgrading our system, so this is what we're using for now. So yeah, when you do this, you can add this to your Google Calendar. If you're using your Outlook, the same thing, whatever it is, you can be able to do that. All right. So this is a quick one about MindLyfe, and we believe to make mental health services affordable and accessible